Jay Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about gold and how gold was melted into gold bars using heat and stored in other places. In this video, I am going to tell you all about gold and its importance in the world. Its importance in the world. Britain looted all gold Daiva Vigrahams and gold bars and using handheld metal detector which is invented in 1930s and searched using this gold metal detector, and they went all over in the temples in India and forts in India and in many different important places and in many normal places, and they searched with using this metal detector. They searched for gold and they found many tons of gold in India, and they carried all this gold through England through ships. Through around 900 ships were used to carry this gold from India to England. Around 1930s, this metal detector was invented. Using this metal detector, they found all gold in temples and forts, which is stored in underground. From this underground, they dug and got this gold, and with rail network and other network, and using 900 ships, they carried all this gold to England. Like that, they looted India's money and gold, and many Daiva Vigrahams also like that. You can see in many British museums. There are thousands and thousands of big Vigrahas were stored, and in British museums you can watch all these things. All gold Vigrahas and gold coated Vigrahas are melted in fire, and all gold is taken from it and made different gold bars and numbered it and stored underground bank walls in London. In middle of the London, there is a big bank. In that big bank, there is a big underground vault. In that vault, they have stored lots and lots of gold bars, which was converted from gold Vigrahas and gold coated Vigrahas, and for which they were melted through fire, and the gold is taken from all it and made different gold bars. These gold bars stored in the underground vault of a bank in middle of London. And heat of 1000 degrees is given continuously. The temperature of object increases from 20 degrees to 2000 degrees through this, and they become liquids. When 1000 degrees heat is given to gold continuously, the gold will melt from solid into solid. They melt from solid into become liquid, and by putting in some bars, this melted gold will be converted into gold bars, and they pour these liquids into different shaped containers to get a desired shape. After this, it will be cooled itself and temperature drop happens and it becomes solid of desired shape. Like that, all gold of India from different Daiva Vigrahas and other gold coated Vigrahas are converted into gold bars and stored in underground vault of Bank of England. In few minutes, all gold jewelries will be converted into gold bars in hot large temperature oven. Gold bars will be crushed to make 1 to 2 cm wide kilometers length gold wire. Gold has these high level characteristics which no other element has. That gold bars can be crushed to make 1 to 2 cm wide and kilometers length gold wire, and this wire will be applied to around brass and other ornaments using burner. It will be burned on the brass or silver, and different designs will be done using burner and pressers. Using burner and presser, many different type of jewelry and gold coated jewelry will be made, and different high level pressers are there to make that heat and design the gold on brass or copper, and doing gold coated on copper. Gold melting point is 1000 degrees centigrade. Gold boiling point is 3000 degrees centigrade. Propane gas can give high level temperature, and using these propane gas burners, gold will be converted into liquid in less than in few minutes. Proper metal detector was invented in around 1914, and handheld metal detector was invented in 1930. Because of this metal detector, using this metal detector, all gold from Indian temples and forts and many other important places were searched using these metal detectors, and all gold was carried through trains and ships into England. In this way, gold from India was looted by British. So British, using these detectors, search all our temples in India, other forts and important places, and loot all things from there. And they converted this gold into gold bars and stored in the underground walls. Like that, they have looted India in many ways. Jai Gurudev.